Got a couple surprises for you, but let's let this rest. I'm pretty excited about it. It looks beautiful. Hey, Big Papa here. No surprise. Let's make some cornbread. I'm going to upset the purists because actually I grew up with Jiffy Mix. I like it. Shoot me if you don't, but I really like it. So I'm making a double batch, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 2/3 cups of milk. You don't want to mix it too much. You want it just nice. You kind of like that. Now here's where I go crazy. Some Ortega chilies, about 1/2 can. Some honey. For those of you who don't like sweet cornbread, I apologize. I wanted to make this sweet with the peppers. And I want to fold in a little bit of Mexican cheese just to make it interesting. Now I've got the oven preheated to 400. I've got a cast iron pan in there with butter. I just want to melt the butter in the pan. Then I'm going to spread it around. Then I'm going to put the cornbread in and bake it until it's done. There you go. It looks pretty good. For all of you who don't like sweet cornbread, let me just rub it in. There you go. Beautiful. We'll load her up when the pan's ready. We'll put it in and we'll have some fun. Okay, the butter's been melted in the pan. I spread it around the side so it won't stick. We're ready to go in the oven for about 16 to 20 minutes. I'll check it. I'll set my iPhone timer and we'll rock and roll. Okay, the cornbread's done. It was in for 16 minutes. It's pulled around the edges just slightly to be nice and crunchy, and of course, did the okay and pike trick. Came out clean. So we're going to leave this until the chili gets done. For those of you seeing this as a separate video, I did make chili too. I'm going to serve the chili. It's going to be kind of fun with a little cornbread, and then got a couple surprises for you, but let's let this rest. I'm pretty excited about it. It looks beautiful.